That's where the Dead Man's Slide is, where both the survivors went and where all the dead bodies went down.
Exactly.
So I think while we have some daylight, we should try to book it to the far end. This is
creepy.
spooky.
Spooky.
We got a cave in up here.
It is very spooky.
So really the only thing protecting us are old wooden beams from the original tunnel.
It's comforting.
That's something, yeah.
Excellent.
Great. Cool. Let's keep walking.
This tunnel is a quarter-mile long and pitch black. There is a definite chill in the air, and I'm not convinced it's just the temperature.
This thing's quite a piece of engineering.
Oh yeah. Kind of scary.
Which means right down here, this should be
Dead Man's Slide.
Dead Man's Slide. This is insane.
So this is it.
This is it. Look how steep that is.
Let me see. Careful. Oh my gosh, Phil. I am uncomfortable with you doing that. Oh yeah, that is
Holy
so...
chihuahua. Nope.
Go for it now. Let's go.
Imagine trying to transport
It's a long way down.
No, how do you do it? Must
in the
be
winter
straight.
down this.
Kind of like the Donner Party when they went to the
1,000
rest
foot elevation drop.
must be super
Imagine
straight.
Had to.
Yeah.
Stuck back down in the blizzard. We have to get here, get all the way down the mountain, ask for help, climb all the way back up, and then miles back to the train, only to be killed in an avalanche.
Yeah.
That is
That's
some
rough.
heroic effort with a tragic ending.
Yeah, that is rough. Alright, well let's just set up for the investigation.
Yeah, the sooner we get going, the better. Alright, just somewhere down that valley is a modern train.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go down the trail on the outside of the tunnel and see if I can get a good eye line on it.
Okay, I'm gonna go back inside the tunnel. I want to try and check for any paranormal activity and see if it matches up with what we were finding. Because if it does, then maybe your theory's correct. If it doesn't, then my theory's correct. Alright, so you're walking next. I'm going to reach out to Conductor Patty and any of the other lost souls who Is there anybody here with us? Were you one of the passengers on the train that was hit by the avalanche in 1910? Conductor Patty, can you hear me?
Train. I'm expecting that seconds after a train rumbles through, we'll get a notification from the meter back at the avalanche site saying that it's picking up infrasound.
Did you work for the railroad? Are you angry that the railroad company tried to cover up so many deaths? Joseph Pettit, is that you?
That was weird.
The 1910 Wellington avalanche compelled researchers to figure out ways to prevent future disasters. One method is to set up snow fences, which can help control accumulation on the slopes. Another way? Explosives. Intentionally using detonations to fracture the snowpack and trigger controlled slides, reducing the risk of unpredictable ones. That's done either by shooting the mountainside with live artillery rounds, or dropping charges from a helicopter, or even having a very brave ski patrol place explosives by hand.
horrible, Josh.
That was weird.
The bizarre, nauseated feeling that we had at the crash site is back.
Sound you comfortable? I had that queasy feeling again. It was so weird. I actually had to take the headphones off. Are you getting any readings on your meter just now? Do you see any trains coming through?
Stand by. Hey, you see that light? Right there, right there. There's the train. You hear that rumble? We got a hit!